Hello everybody. I am going to give a quick tutorial on how to log in and edit your new teacher web page. We have a new website provider, Blackboard, and I'm currently at our Gordon County Schools website, and so I need to show you how to edit your new teacher page. So I'm currently here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to navigate to select a school, and I'm going to go to Sonoraville Elementary. And that's going to bring us to our home page. And I'm actually going to show you how to edit a teacher page by using Miranda Pate's page. She's allowed me to do so. So I want to show you what it's going to look like before you edit your page and then what it will look like after. So I'm going to go to departments. I'm going to find her page first so I can show you what it looks like right now. She's 4th grade. We're going to click on Miranda Pate. Currently she has welcome, interesting web resources, classroom photos, and class calendar, and everyone has those as a default on your page. She also has a school photo and her name. If you have been a part of our Sonoraville family for the past few years, I do have a picture for you on your page. If not, we'll be working towards getting those very, very soon. So what I'd like to do is actually log in and show you how to edit her page. So I'm going to click on the sign in button. And you're going to use your Office 365 username and password, not your full email address, just the username and password. So I'm going to type hers in, and I'm going to click sign in. When you sign in for the first time, you will have a pop-up that talks about joining the Blackboard community. Just click I accept and you'll be ready to roll. So it looks the same, but I'm actually signed in as Miranda, but I need to edit. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to account, but this time I'm going to click Site Manager. And this is going to take me to Miranda's pages that she has access to. She has access to her welcome page, interesting web resources, classroom photos, and class calendar. And if you notice to the side under status, all of these are green because they are active. Because at this time, all you need to have is a short biography, an email address, and a picture. The interesting web resources, classroom photos, and class calendar are not necessary to have active on your page. So what I'm going to do, I'm not going to delete these. I'm actually going to click active and it's going to turn them inactive. And what you will see when we go back at the end is they actually are removed from view on her page. They're not deleted. So if you are interested in having any of these pages or perhaps having a different type of page, I can show you at a later date on how to edit those or add any other types of pages. But for now, we're going to edit her welcome page. We're going to actually click on welcome, and it's going to take you to the About the Teacher app. When you click this for the first time, there might be a short video that pops up. You can just exit out of that if you'd like to. If not, then you don't have to exit out of it. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the green pencil, and we're going to edit this, and you're going to see just some areas for pre-fill. I have gone in and added everyone's name, and if I had a picture available, I've added those in. I did not add in your prefix, so you can go in and change that if you would like to. There is also an area for your biography. What I would recommend would be taking parts, if not all, of your highly qualified letter and just copying and pasting. So I have Miranda's here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this letter. The tricky thing is because of Blackboard, it does not let you right click and paste. Notice there's no paste. So what you will have to do is click or press Command V, and it actually will copy and paste your biography. And then you can do any editing that you might want to do, change any of the font. I am going to do some very quick editing, just bringing some of the spaces in because I feel like that's a lot of spaces between her paragraphs. So I'm going to do that really quick for her. All right, she is ready. At any time, if you're worried about your computer shutting down or doing something wrong, you can always click Save, and it will save it to your page, save your changes. But one other thing that I want to make sure that you do is click on the Details tab here, and there is a place for you to type in your email address and the school phone number if you would like to. I'm going to do that very quickly for Miranda. So I have mpate@gcbe.org, and I have our school phone number. And so basically what that's going to do is that's actually going to link to her email address so parents can directly email her. We're going to click Save, but notice before I do that, it does say Activate on my page. If I click the check, it will actually remove it. So you want to make sure that blue check is always clicked. So I'm going to save that. It takes me back to this screen. I'm finished at this point. There's nothing really else to add. It's pretty basic. So I'm going to click the X. I'm going to click the X again. And at this point, I have 3 inactive pages and 1 active page. So before I sign out, what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually go back. This is what our page looked like before. All I'm going to do is refresh, and there we are. All that's available is her welcome page, Mrs. Miranda Pate, and then she has her short biography with the school phone number and email address, and it is as simple as that. So I'm available if you need any help. I'm going to send an email out shortly about the different options that you can do to get your teacher page ready, and if you have any individual questions, you can always contact me. However, it's pretty simple and straightforward, so I hope this video screen recording will help just alleviate some of the stress of trying to figure out a new website provider. And so all I need to do at this point is click Account and sign out, and just like that, you're finished. And I hope you enjoy editing your new website, and if you need any help, you know where to find me.